Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make 4ormulator V1 graded map type Vegas Pro on KineMaster, and then on light motion we're going to do 4ormulator V1 with turbulent displays. Okay, I'll show you. First go to adjustment. Oops. Man. Go to gamma. Gamma is 42 minus 42. Now go to thermal cam. Mode is 3. Mode is 3. Color changer. Color is red. Color offset is 360. Hue, none. Saturn is 100. Lightness is minus 20. Now go to duplicate the color changer. Color is yellow. Color offset is 13. Hue is 28. Alright. Now duplicate color changer again. Color is navy blue or something. Color offset is 46. Hue is none. Saturn is minus 100. Lightness is 4. The last duplicated color changer effect. Color is teal. Color offset is 25. Default. Hue is minus 31. Saturn is 100. And that is it. If you don't know how to use the vocoder to make a vocoder with 4ormulator V1, use the logo in 4ormulator V1 then. Okay, let's save it. Save. I'm too yawn. Okay, let's go to light motion. New project. Background is black. That's my favorite. We go to my 4ormulator V1 graded map. Now go to turbulent displays. X. Wait, did someone ring my bell? Guys, it's not a doorbell. It's my actual bell. Guys, it was from Amazon last year. Let me check. Wait, what's going on? I can't do this noise. The streaf is too short. My best one. Streaf is 40. Actually, streaf is 50. I'm saying both of the words of streaf for now because I don't know which one's the one. I check. Nope. 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 Streaf will be 60 for now. Okay, Chrome. Let's go to Melodies Vocator. Let's go to Vocator. Camera file. Wait. For now, I'm gonna use Samsung Lookables Formulator V1 because I can't do Melodies or crappy Vocator. I want to try this one. Tag, stop! Wait. Good. Stop! Sort by date! Export. Wait a minute, let me check. I'm in my microphone. Okay, save. KineMaster. Live motion. Might go to layer. Okay. Here's our result, guys. See you next time. Bye. Okay. We good. Stop. Sort by date. Export. Wait a minute, let me check. I'm in my microphone. Okay, save. KineMaster. Live motion. Might go to layer. Okay. Here's our result, guys. See you next time. Bye. Okay.